Hi everyone, welcome to Young Mind. This is my second video in the series of history. Today in this video we are going to discuss about prehistoric age in India, in that lithic ages. As usual, before going in details, please subscribe to my channel, and if you already subscribed, please share with your friends and other students also. It may help them, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification about my new video in the future. Now let's begin. In this ancient history, we can divide the time periods into different ages, that is Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and last one is Iron Age. According to the tools used by the people, we can divide the time being into different periods. In that, first one is about Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period, it will start from 2 million BC and it will end around 10,000 BC. Next one is that is Mesolithic period. Mesolithic period will start from 10,000 BC and it will end at 8,000 BC. And the next it will be Neolithic period. Neolithic period will start around 8000 BC and end it will around 4000 BC. And the next one is about Chalcolithic period. That will start from 4000 BC and till the 1500 BC. And the last age is Iron Age. In the Iron Age, it will start around 1500 BC and it will around 200 BC. These are the time division of the lithic ages from the Paleolithic to till the Iron Age. This Paleolithic age or Old Stone Age is further divided into three stages. That is Lower Paleolithic Age, that the timelines between around 1 million BC, and the Middle Paleolithic Age, that is in between 1 million to 40,000 BC, and the last one is Upper Paleolithic Age, that is the timeline is between 40,000 BC to 10,000 BC. This is the timeline of the Paleolithic Age, that is also called as Old Stone Age. And man appeared in this Paleolithic Age, that is around 2 to 4 million years ago, and this timeline is called Pleistocene Age. The word Pleistocene, you may heard about this in geography also. Now let us see about the lifestyle of the human in Paleolithic ages and what they are using and how they are survived and what are their food habits and what are the tools they are used. So now let us begin with the stones. Now let's see about man's best friend stone, because the stone is the first tool used by the man in the Old Stone Age, and archaeologists also found many stone tools in the sites. In this Paleolithic Age, man not only used these stones, but he also used wooden tools and also animal bones too, because he don't know the use of metal and he didn't find the metal in that time. And just imagine in 50,000 years back, how would be the lifestyle of the man? Because nowadays we are having all the facilities. Just imagine without all these facility, how would be the man's lifestyle? That is also 50,000 years back. They are living in the forest just like other animals, and they don't have any equipment also. Whatever the modern equipment we have, that simplified our lifestyle, but in that time man don't have any equipment also. So they use the stone and wooden tools and also dead animal bones as the tools because of the surveillance and also for food and many other purpose. They used these as a tools. Now you may get one question in your mind here: why man choose stone as his first weapon? Let me take one example here. Just imagine when man living in the forest, that is around 50,000 years ago, one day one wild animal started to chase him and attack him. As you know, wild animals are very strong, and that time if he don't have any tools to protect him, then he may get injured or sometime he may die. But when the man decided to fight against these animals, he started to search for tools. That is the first time he thought or think about the surveillance. That time he found the stone lying beside him or anywhere, and after using these stones, he also got to know stones are very strong and I can use this as a weapon to protect me. From that point, he started to use the stone as a tool. And after that day by day, he invented many tools from these stones and used them for the different purpose. By seeing these tools used by them, we can divide it into different stages. In this Paleolithic age, they used these tools to cut the meat, bark and hides, and they used these stone tools to digging and sieving also. And next they started to attach handles and made spears and arrows, etc. You can see here how the man made stone tools and how he gave the shape also. In the Paleolithic age, that is the Old Stone Age, it started around 5 lakhs to 10,000 BC. In this stage, stone tools not having perfect shapes and they are undressed because people are unaware about the shapes and all. And people are nomads, and the main profession of the people at the Paleolithic age is hunting and food gathering. They are hunters and food gatherers. They use the tools as axes, chopper and cleavers. And in the earliest lower Paleolithic site in the Bori in Maharashtra, we can find these tools whichever they used in the lower Paleolithic age. And people are nomads and they are roaming around here and there and searching for food. In the primary stage, they started to search the foods, and then they don't know about hunting in the primary stage. In the later stage, they got to know about the hunting. Now you can observe from the food gatherer, from the nomadic lifestyle, they now become the hunters, and they started to hunting and food gathering. This is the main activity for these people at the time of Paleolithic age, and they are unaware of agriculture, and agriculture also not started in Paleolithic age. And they settled throughout the India, not in one particular place, but they are settled and scattered throughout the India, mainly on the river valley or wherever water is available, that is bank of any river, and also they are settled in hill stations also. And also one main thing here, they are not known about Ganga, Indus or Yamuna river in the beginning stage of Paleolithic age. Later they reached the Ganga and Yamuna. After that, Indus civilization started. In the beginning of Paleolithic age, they are unaware of these rivers also. In this picture, you can observe how man made stone tools. They are giving step by step picture here. You can observe that in the lower Paleolithic age, as I told earlier, they are hunters and food gatherers. The main site of lower Paleolithic age you can see in Bori of Maharashtra state. And one main thing is limestone is also used as the tools. You can observe these evidences in the lower Paleolithic sites. And major sites of lower Paleolithic age is Soan Valley, that is at present Soan Valley is present in Pakistan, and sites in the Thar desert. These are the major lower Paleolithic sites, remember that. And the Kashmir, Mewar plains, Saurashtra, Gujarat, Central India, Deccan Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau, and also north of Kaveri river, that is in Karnataka, and Bailan Valley in Uttar Pradesh. These are the major lower Paleolithic ages. You may get the questions in the prelims or any exams for the objective types questions. And they are the habitation sites including caves and rock shelters. It was declared as a heritage site in 2003. And also an important place is Bhimbetka, that is in Madhya Pradesh. And this is all about lower Paleolithic age and the important site. And the next is middle Paleolithic age. In the middle Paleolithic age, man used the blades, pointers and scraper and bores as a tools. And these tools were smaller and lighter and thinner compared to lower Paleolithic age tools. And here also people are nomads. And food gathering and hunting was the main habit or main work of the middle Paleolithic age humans. And also in this stage, man also discovered the fire. This is the first time man used the fire and discovered the fire, and how he got to know how we can use the fire. This is the first stage where man got to know about fire. And the important middle Paleolithic age sites are Bailan Valley in Uttar Pradesh and Luni Valley, that is present in Rajasthan, and Son and Narmada rivers. And also here also Bhimbetka is the main and important middle Paleolithic age site. You can observe Bhimbetka is the main historical and main site of Paleolithic age. You can observe many evidences here. And next one is upper Paleolithic age. That is the last stage of Old Stone Age, that is Paleolithic age. This upper Paleolithic age is the stage where emergence of the Homo sapiens, and lot of bone tools including the needles, harpoons and blades, fishing tools and brewing tools also found in the archaeological sites. These are evidences of the upper Paleolithic age, and these tools or these evidences shows how the man are living and how advanced he was in Upper Paleolithic age, and these are clearly showing about what is the difference between first stage to lower Paleolithic, that is the lower Paleolithic to Upper Paleolithic age. And the major site in the Upper Paleolithic age is Belon, Son and Chota Nagpur plateau in that is present in Bihar and the Maharashtra and Orissa, and also Eastern Ghats in the Andhra Pradesh. And here also painting of the Bhimbetka caves belongs to this time of Upper Paleolithic age. Till now, you may notice one thing about the important sites of Paleolithic age, that is Old Stone Age. In all the stages of Paleolithic age, Bhimbetka is playing the major role. This is the main site. We will get the evidences of all the stages of Paleolithic ages. And let us talk about some important points about Bhimbetka. This is Bhimbetka is very popular site and very important for your exams. That may be a UPSC, SSC or state PSA exams or any other competitive exams. And it is a rock shelter. Bhimbetka is mainly a rock shelter. You can observe in the first picture here. And Bhimbetka is located 40 km from Bhopal, and this is the habitation site. People used to live in this rock shelter, that is caves, because of weather change. In the rainy and winter season, people started to live in these caves. This is especially to protect themselves from the rain and cold in the winter season. People not only staying themselves in these caves, but also along with them, they are starting to domesticate the animals also. Their animals also staying with them in these caves. And when he got the free time in living in these caves, he started to scratch the wall of the cave. At that point of time, he got to know that yes, I can do the painting also. This is how painting skills are evolved in the man. So they started to paint the animal pictures and also picture whatever they imagine in that time. They painted all their imagination and also whatever he saw surrounding them, he started to paint on the wall of that cave. You can find all these pictures in Bhimbetka cave that is presented in Bhopal. Whenever you visit there, you can find all these paintings and all. Yes, this is all about Paleolithic age and their different stages, and also about the important sites, that is mainly about Bhimbetka. I think I have gave a lot of information here in this video. Thank you for watching my video, and in the next video I will bring more information about ancient history. Thank you once again, and please subscribe and share with your friends.